Half of the world's forest has been cleared or degraded. That's a stark statement. And on that basis, therefore, it is very clear that the two interlinked crises, the destruction of the natural system on which we all depend, and climate instability, these two crises require that we make a gear change in terms of how we mobilize capital for nature-based solutions so that we can rapidly scale up investments in forests. In 2021, we'll start a decade committed to the restoration of our ecosystems. And to achieve our goals of restoring degraded ecosystems, we need to mobilize massive amount of resources. And here, this new Restoration Seed Capital Facility, led by UN Environment Programme, is an example of a public finance instrument that leverages private finance to drive positive changes. This facility will channel funds into protecting and regenerating degraded natural ecosystems, ecosystems on which we depend for our livelihoods, our well-being, and our health. We need to stop the degradation, and we need to reverse climate change. And we're running out of time. So we need new approaches that accelerate it and scale up the level of impacts. That is precisely what the Restoration Seed Capital Facility is doing by using public finance to unlock project opportunities in developing countries. Projects which would not have been realized without this financial support. We have learned from COVID-19 that business as usual cannot be the norm any longer. The Restoration Facility is supporting regenerative, sustainable business models that create value by restoring forests, coastlines, wetlands, and other degraded ecosystems. The facility will benefit local communities as their lands are improved and as they thereby build a greater resilience to risk, including droughts, floods, wildfires, and other climate-related impacts. The Restoration Seed Capital Facility will demonstrate to private financiers the very real opportunities that exist when investing in a future of deploying nature-based solutions for productive and healthy ecosystems. By making these investments, we will increase our chance to tackle climate change. We will protect biodiversity, and we will create long-term resilient jobs in communities. And as we do that, we will also meet our commitments to the Sustainable Development Goals, the Paris Agreement, and the Bonn Challenge.